just thank God for seeing the vision coming to pass. Glory to God.
We are part of God's purpose plan here in this earth to show us the tremendous love that He has for us. So happy to be here with you. And there are a lot of things happen in life that are painful and causes a lot of suffering. It's a world of suffering. That's what this world is. And that is why we need Jesus, because Jesus is the greatest healer, I believe. And I've seen it throughout my life.
To Proverbs 2-6, a North Carolina corporation for $1. You look at this place, we have over 1.2 million square feet in this place. About 55,000 square feet internal place. And many of you are from the construction business that are sitting here. If you know how much it costs to build a place like this, you will see. I want to bring the Mayor, Myra. She's the mayor of this town. Come on over, Mayor. She and her city has changed the street name from Old Prison Camp Road to Break the Cycle Drive.
Feel amazing to have people there who want you to succeed and have that support, and it gives you hope.
And I'm really grateful for him and all the work that Proverbs 226 has done to impact the lives of the children who it serves and my sisters and myself.